Welcome back to SAP AppGyver. Today, I would like to introduce you to the global toolbar in AppGyver. You already know the UI view. This is where you edit your project. The launch area offers you the possibility to test your app. You can preview your app here in a web browser, iOS, Android smartphone, on your Mac or TV device. A small example. Here's the web view. Here I take my project and the desired version. Now I can test the app on my laptop. If you make changes to an app, you can also create different releases for it and comment them with the changes if necessary. Next, let's have a look at the theme editor. With the theme editor, you can change just a few values to quickly give your app its own and uniform look. For example, in the colors section, you can change the colors. In the theme variables section, you can change the font and size. In the font section, you can also upload and use your own fonts. The navigation for your app can be configured in the navigation section of the global toolbar at the top. You can use the built-in navigation or create your own navigation list for your app. As an example, I add my welcome page here and give it a different logo, which is also displayed in the app. After saving, I test this change once in the web view. To do this, I go to the web view via launch. Now we see that I can go directly to the welcome page via the symbol in the bar. In the data section, you can see which data the app can access. On the one hand, you have the data you have created yourself. You can find more on this in the fourth demo chapter, Data. On the other hand, you can also connect your SAP systems here. How this works exactly and how you can display real-time data in AppGyver is shown in another video. In the authentication section, you can set up an authorization if you wish. Google Firebase and SAP Business Technology Platform are offered by default, but third-party providers are also possible. In the community section, you can show and hide the tutorial bar, get news about the AppGyver solution, and exchange information with other users. I especially recommend the documentation, which helps with questions in addition to the community forums. In addition, there are the areas changelog, issue tracker, and platform status. Here you can look at the information regarding the latest updates or bugs that have occurred, and you will also know what AppGyver is currently working on in order to further optimize the solution. Thank you for your time and attention. Feel free to leave us a like or a comment.